Hi guys, my name is Sara Hernandez and today we are going to see the operations with functions. So first we need to know what is it and when we use them. So operations on functions are functions with overlapping domains can be added, subtracted, multiplied and divided. And here next is a picture for you to know how the formulas look like. Now I'm going to explain the operations with functions, but per category. First, sum. The formula is the following one. Parentheses f plus g, parentheses of x, is equal to the form f of x plus g of x. And to see how the formula of the added function works, let's do an example. Here we have f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 and g of x is equal to x to the second power minus 4. Next, after replace, the next step is to group like terms. So, we have 2x and we don't have like terms that is similar to 2x, so we leave 2x like that, and we have positive 1 minus 4 and it is equal to minus 3, and finally we have x to the second power, and we don't have any variable or number or term that is similar to that or have an exponent, so also we leave x to the second power in that form. So after this step, we need to organize or the answer, and the final answer will be x to the second power plus 2x minus 3. And this is how we solve a function in the sum. The second category is the subtraction, and the formula that we use to represent it is parenthesis g minus f parenthesis of x is equal to g of x minus f of x. Here we are finding g minus f and not f minus g. Is the same thing but in different way. Let's do an example. Here we have f of x is equal to 5x plus 6 and g of x is equal to 3x to the second power minus 4x plus 8. So we replace again, and the formula will be parenthesis 3x to the second power minus 4x plus 8 parenthesis minus parenthesis 5x plus 6 parentheses. So after we have this, we need to start to solve the formula with subtractions and additions and combine like terms. So it will be first we eliminate parentheses and there is 3x to the second power minus 4x plus 8 minus 5x minus 6. Then we combine the terms and there will be 3x to the second power minus 4x minus 5x plus 8 minus 6. And then it will be 3x to the second power minus 9x, because minus 4x minus 5x will be minus 9x plus 2. And finally, the final answer will be parenthesis g minus f of x equal to 3x to the second power minus 9x plus 2. And this is how we solve an operation with function in the subtraction. The third category is the multiplication, and the formula that represents it is parenthesis f times g parenthesis of x equal to f of x times g of x. Now let's do an example. Here we have f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 and g of x is equal to 5x minus 3. Now we make the replace process, and the initial formula will be parenthesis f times g parenthesis of x equal to parenthesis 2x plus 1 parenthesis 5x minus 3. Now we start to solve the question, and we need to start with the distribution law. So 2x times 5x is equal to 10x to the second power. Then 2x times minus 3 is equal to minus 6x. And then positive 1 times 5x is 5x. And positive 1 times minus 3 is minus 3. Then we find like terms, so it will be 10x to the second power minus x, because minus x plus 5x is equal to x, so it will be minus x minus 3. And the final answer will be parenthesis f times g parenthesis of x equal to 10x squared minus g minus 3. And this is how we solve the operation with function in the multiplication. Finally, the fourth category is the division, and the formula that represents it is parenthesis f divided into g parenthesis of x equal to f of g divided into g of x. Now let's do an example. So here we have f of x is equal to x to the second power minus 3 and g of x is equal to 3 minus x. We make the replace process, and the initial formula will be parenthesis f divided into g parenthesis of x equal to x to the second power minus 3 divided into 3 minus x. And in this case, the result of the division will be this, because there is not option to can factorize the equation. Okay, this is how you solve operation with function. I hope that this video helped you. Thanks for your attention. Bye.